Cash management. Security box is small and lightweight, but big enough to store small documents, personal items, passports or a cell phone. Features: a double steel wall construction with a fire-resistant insulation. Quality made: a concealed hinge to resist prying, a foam padded floor, a durable, scratch-resistant powder coat finish. Secure, pry-resistant concealed hinge. Trusted, key lock with 2 entry keys included. Keep your cash, electronics, and other small valuables secured with the key locking feature of the Honeywell 6104. This security box includes 2 entry keys in case of misplacement or multiple users. The 6104's lock makes it perfect for any home, small office, travel, and keeps valuables safe from unwanted access. The concealed hinge keeps your small valuables protected from thieves and other unwanted users by preventing prying of the door. This box includes a foam padded floor mat to ensure that any valuables remain in excellent condition and will not be scratched by the sturdy steel construction of the safe. This safe box is built with a sturdy double steel wall construction and is equipped with fire-resistant insulation. This security box has a durable scratch-resistant powder coat finish that protects the safe from scratches and keeps it looking clean in your home or office for years. The carry handle makes it easy to transport from place to place and has a 1-year limited. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome medicine box. My wife was needing something to put her meds in with a lock on it. This is a quality product.